everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh wait, what if they never came to my YouTube channel?
Okay, let me try again.
What's up everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see in the link, today's video will be on a Fashion Nova haul. And we're gonna have a special guest, my beautiful sister. She's gonna be right there. She's gonna be saying some dumb shit. Okay, so I'm gonna try these jeans on first. They are called Bootcamp Babe distressed jeans. They are camo jeans, and they are size 1. And these, super cute.
Oh, they're pretty.
With this shirt, it's an extra small. It is called Trust Me Runch Top. It's like a mustard green or yellow, I don't know. But I will be right back.
Hi guys, I am the sister. I'll be on IG, you guys can add me. I'm just here. Modeling. She's having a little bit of technical difficulties. She got an extra small, but she's super thin, so.
Okay, so this is how it looks. But this shirt is really comfortable, but I got it an extra small. It's a little snug, you know, maybe because I ate some tacos. I don't know.
Turn different looks and my looks so cute.
Okay, next shirt is going to be this bodysuit. I really like the material already as it is. And this bodysuit is called... I had the tag on it, but it's not on here. So this is the bodysuit.
I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana.
It's really comfortable and it could be dressy. You can wear it with some heels. I have heels, but I don't really want to put them on, but I'll show you which ones would look cute with it. A7. You know what? I'm really bad at this. I know I don't have the names to anything, but this is how they look. Can't really. So I'm going to take a shot of tequila añejo. My boyfriend got it for me. He loves me. Yep. So it's pretty strong, but it's really good. So let's take a shot.
So I prefer the yellow shirt with that.
Didn't ask you.
You're supposed to give some positive feedback. And you guys, like I said, I have to remind you, I ate some tacos. So, you know, I might be looking a little bit, you know, it's so...
No importa, pero shot, no.
It's like...
Don't you guys just love her hair?
It's Belami hair. Next. And it is called an arm's reach sweater. Is that what?
It's perfect.
It's like everyday wear. If you want to look cute in the cold, you know, show a little bit of stomach, a little pancita, you know. This is it. So I'll be right back, bitches. And then after we'll just go on my... Super comfortable. It's a size small. It has like little ruffles. See that?
I love that one.
You know, I'm gonna get a little tummy tuck soon, bitches, y'all, so y'all can shut the fuck up. I'm gonna try on some pants now.
Oh, I like those.
These are size 1, blue jeans with a little bit of rips. They are called... with this nude bodysuit.
That's pretty. I like that.
And it doesn't have the etiqueta either. So these pants aren't as stretchable, but they make it look nice. This top, I wouldn't really suggest wearing it with a bra, but I don't have chi-chis. I feel like he have like big chi-chis. I have like, you could wear it with like these nude heels from Fashion Nova. I'm kind of scared to put on this white bodysuit because of my makeup. It's like...
She said it reminded her like of, you know, those nylon pants that you could just buy at like a Ross or somewhere.
And just toss them. But I will try it on. It's a size small. And it is called You Coming With Bodysuits. So this is what the bodysuit looks like. It is really comfortable, but I just don't like the material of it because I feel like I could use it like 5 times. And how I'm a mom, I have kids, I just get dirty so quick. So this shirt wouldn't really last me long, but you could dress it up. Like right now, it looks very casual. It look very cute. Add a little belt, you know. The next outfit, this is a bodysuit, size small.
You guys, that's my
Cheetah
favorite.
tank top, my sister's favorite. It's like velvet. It's like super cute material. I really like it. With these high-rise jeans. I don't really remember getting them in size 0, but I guess I did. And they are called the Hudson jeans in indigo. Okay, they're not as tight as I thought they were gonna be. The shirt, overall comfortable. The next shirt, this is like very warm. I got it in a size medium because they were sold out in small. This is called Pretty Little Lies sweater. Okay, so since I got this in a big size, I'd wear it
Oh my
like
gosh.
this.
I like that a lot.
Next is this. Super cute.
I love
It's like
that one
I don't know what kind of material is
too.
this?
Like lycra, kind of.
I don't know, but it's very stretchable. I got it in extra small because they were sold out in small, so hopefully it doesn't fit too small. It is called Link Up Bodysuit. I'm gonna try it with my old white Fashion Nova jeans. They're in size 3. This is when I was a little bit bigger, but they still fit, so I'll be right back. I wish I had it in a bigger size, but
That's one of my
maybe
favorite
I'd wear it with
shirts.
darker pants.
You know what? She looks like fucking Cirque du Soleil, fucking ice skating, fucking on
Yeah,
crack.
this is like some ice skating looking bodysuit, but I don't know why I like it. It's called This Girl Is On Fire, size small.
Looks hot bigger.
Yeah, it looks kind of big, and it's really stretchy, so maybe like an extra small. Okay, this is super cute. See the details glitter. Alright girls, now we get to the sexy dresses. Very thin material, has a little slit. I got it in extra small. It's called I Know You See Me midi dress. It's super thin, but let me try it.
I done got fine, a flossy bitch in designer. I got these haters upset.
It's just really thin. Next dress, it's a gown, not a dress. It's a gown. It is called I'm Just Drawn That Way ruffle dress. This is a dress I want to wear for my cousin's wedding, so you need boobs, but I'm just gonna make it work. Okay, so this is it. I'd say definitely you need shapewear for this. I don't really like how it makes my body look, but yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my Fashion Nova haul. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
I said thanks for watching.
Let's go.